Welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions. This is another big project, how to fit carpet tiles. We have this big school in London, Greenwich area. As you can see, the dark blue carpet tiles been fitted by Bespoke Flooring Solutions and our guys, so we did a great job. Let's have a look from the beginning and how we did it all. As you can see, there is some old carpet which were fitted loosely all over this school, and we had to remove the carpet and the old underlay. It was very old one, and underneath we've got vinyl tile, so it's a good subfloor for the carpet tiles to be installed without any massive preparation. So as you can see, there are quite lots of bookshelf everywhere, so we had to move everything to left and right hand side, and we had to remove the carpet from the middle of the room, and then we used F41 adhesive, let it dry. So we're gonna fit this section first, so we can store everything on top of that. As you can see, there are nearly 10-15 bookshelf desks and tables, and you've got chairs, so everything needs to be stored in the center. So we've started the installation of carpet tiles, as easy as that. Always centralize it, so do take and work out your measurement, but it's not that difficult to install carpet tiles. So it's 3-4 of us here in this job, as you can see now. So the middle of the room has been done, so we can store everything on that, and then we are removing the old carpet from the underneath of the table and desks and around the perimeter of the room. As you can see, it's very busy, big massive classroom full of books, and it took us nearly 5 days to do this job. Lots of preparation, so there are some uneven substrate on the right hand side, so we had to use flexible leveling compound. Map our renovation for here. The latex took 4 to 6 hours to dry, so we had to do under the desk as well. So that's the self-leveling compound is done, and then in the morning we had to do another rapid patch as well, because it wasn't as smooth as wanted. So after that dry, we used F41 adhesive, which is special adhesive for carpet tiles. Let the adhesive dry, and then you can lay the carpet tiles in. So the most difficult part of the carpet tile installation is around the L-shaped area and corners, and as well as door frame. So you just template one on top of each other, as you can see in the video, and then you template the other side, cut it, drop it in, fit it, job done. Easy as that. And this is door frame, so you template it again with a small piece of carpet, and then cut it through. So you do another mark just around the door frame. There are many methods, so everyone has their own comfort zone of how to cut the carpet tiles. So that's that one done. Put it in, and the rest can be done by freehand, just a little bit of the door frame. That is the most difficult part of carpet tile installation. Once that's done, the rest of it is so easy. Right, last piece, and we're done with this big massive carpet tiles project. And the school head teacher, they're happy, the client is well happy, and they're over the moon. So are we, and so we are as well. And yeah, the classroom looks really nice, and we put all the furniture back in its place and position. It took us 5 days. Another great job done by Bespoke Flooring Solution Limited in London. And you can see how busy this room was, and everything is back in its position. And another great carpet tile job done. There we go, all done. The steps and the tread and rise is done as well. Thank you very much. Hope you've learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Bye bye.